First, I wake up, then I get dressed. I walk to school. I do not ride a bike. I do not ride the bus. I like to go to school. It rains. I do not like rain. I eat lunch. I eat a sandwich and an apple. I play outside. I like to play. I read a book. I like to read books. I walk home. I do not like walking home. My mother cooks soup for dinner. The soup is hot. Then I go to bed. I do not like to go bed.
Repeat after me.
First, I wake up. Then I get dressed. First, I wake up. Then I get dressed. Jalqaba hirribaan ka'a. Achi booda uffataan godha. I walk to school. I do not ride a bike. I walk to school. I do not ride a bike. Gara mana barumsaa deema. An biskileetii oofuu hin jaaladhu. Lukaan deemuu jaaladhaa jechuudha. I do not ride the bus. I like to go to school. I do not ride the bus. I like to go to school. Ani otobisiidhaan deemuu hin jaaladhu. Mana barumsaa deemuun natti tola yookaan nan jaaladha. It rains. I do not like rain. Roobaa jira. Ani rooba hin jaaladhu. It rains. I do not like rain. Roobni roobaa jira. Ani garuu rooba hin jaaladhu. I eat lunch. I eat a sandwich and an apple. I eat lunch. I eat a sandwich and an apple. Laaqana nyaadhe. Laaqana sandwichaa fi appiliin nyaadhe. I play outside. I like to play. I play outside. I like to play. Ani ala taphadha. Taphachuu nin jaaladha. I read a book. I like to read books. I read a book. I like to read books. Ani kitaaban dubbisa. Kitaaba dubbisuu nin jaaladha. I like to read books. I walk home. I do not like walking home. I walk home. I do not like walking home. Gara manaan deema. Gara manaa deemuu hin jaaladhu. Gara manaa deemuu hin jaaladhu. My mother cooks soup for dinner. The soup is hot. My mother cooks soup for dinner. The soup is hot. Haati koo irbaataaf shorba hojjette. Shorbaan nama guba yookaan shorbaan ho'adha. Then I go to bed. I do not like to go to bed. Then I go to bed. I do not like to go to bed. Sana booda gara kutaa hirribaa yookaan ciisichaan deeme. An gara kutaa hirribaa deemu hin jaaladhu. I do not like to go to bed. Question number 1. What happens first? Get dressed, wake up, eat lunch, walk to school. Question number 2. What do I like? Walking home, books, going to bed, rain. Question number 3. How do I go to school? I ride a bike, I walk, I drive a car, I ride the bus. Question number 4. What do I eat for dinner? Pea, sandwich, soup, apple. Question number 5. What do I not like? Going to bed, playing, soup, going to school.
Don't